Hey guys, it's Cody at American Pool & Spa again. Going to go over another hot tub with you. This is the Sovereign. So think of the Sovereign in a way as almost a scaled down version of the Aria. Got a lot of the same features, different jet layouts for different seats to give you an entirely different experience for each seat, along with the Moto-Massage in the lounge seat. Same zero bypass filtration system with the Tri-X filters from HotSprings. Also features like the Bluetooth speakers, salt cells, everything like that also available for this one. But good thing here is you can fit it into a potentially smaller space. So if the Sovereign is a hot tub that interests you, you can stop into the shop or give us a call at 859-623-0124. Check out the website at americanpoolandspaky.com or send us an email at info@americanpoolandspaky.com.